Welcome back to my channel. Guys, do not mind my look, okay? I just want to quickly address this video. Welcome back to the People Choice Show TV. So there's a video that is going viral, a lady crying for help. So I just want to address some issue there, guys, okay? So do not just look at my look because I'm not happy, because this video is not something that will give you joy, you know? It's so sad to hear something like this. So I'm addressing this video because of some lady outside there that may fall for this victim. You know, we all Africans, we are all here. So many of us here, they did not even recognize they are living in Europe. They are still using this Africa system. When I mean Africa system, you know, here when you have a children, when your children grown up to an age, up to 3 years, they start school here. So when you are taking your child to school, you need to be, you know, following everything up. The moment your child starts schooling, the dressing is very important, and everything. You have to be following every damn thing they are doing in school. Everything they are doing in school, the meeting, parents meeting and everything. So here, I do also have this issue here in my own setting. So I noticed some of the black, when they are having meeting, I have never seen anyone participating. Even in school, they always said I'm the only one participating, because I have some African people, when they have meeting, you can never see them. The only African person you see is Senegalese people, Ghanaian people. That is the only people you will see there. So our people, they do not take it as an important something. Even this WhatsApp group they used to create for parents, for them to be giving information for school. Some African parents, they don't read anything they put on the platform. They will just say, all these Oyibo people, I don't want, I beg, I don't need their problem. What did they put there? I don't feel read what they write. I don't just want to understand what they write. But there's something, when you don't understand, you have to look for someone that will help you to explain. So I'll be helping a lot of people for this same issue, you know. When it's time for meeting, I'll be checking for them. Come, you have to attend. We have something like this. These are the things white people they do not joke with it, you know. You have to be following everything they are doing in school. So it may be many things, because you can imagine now this lady with a 4 kids without no husband. I don't want to talk about how many fathers and all that. Let me just talk about the problem, okay? Okay, now you have 4 kids. I have the children I have here, even with my husband, living with my husband, I'm still having a little difficulty, because nobody can say, no, I'm okay, everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. What I mean everything is fine, because you are able to do your thing with your whole husband, because you organize your movement. But this one, she don't have anybody that she can, you know, even when she's tired, there's somebody that can help her. It's not easy, guys. We are in Europe. We all know everything. We all know. So I'm not even here to say that because she can never agree to that same thing, that she's been maltreating the children. There are so many things they will look about these children. I'm not talking about she beating the children. The maltreating, the Igbo will just say, when your child you can clean it up, maybe the way you dress your children, the kind of dress, the kind of shoes, and your children are wearing every day, how you take care of them, the way they're supposed to look when they're coming to school. Your children need to be looking happy when they are going to school. They need to be also happy coming home, you know. So when your children is going to school, they need to be happy when they are also coming back. You need to ask your child, what did he do today? What are the things that is today? Even though he's KG1, KG2, you need to ask, or the food they eat today, did you like the food? What they do for school today? Things like this. And as a parent, you need to be following everything they are doing in that school. Everything. Like, you know, when they have all these parents meeting and everything, you need to follow up. And also, when your child grow up to an age that he will be going to school, writing, like primary 1, so you need to follow the homework and everything. There's lots of things which our African parents, most of them are not doing it yet, because I'm just saying it with my experience, with what I'm seeing, a lot of people that have been helping here, guys. So that is what I'm talking about it. So many women do not take that one as something as important something. For all they know, it doesn't matter. I don't know what they are saying. You know, even the platform, the messages they have been sending to group where parents, you know, message for parents. So I see a lot of Africa that we are the same. You know, my children is the same school with them, but they are not following it up. To them, it's not important. They will say that they don't even understand. When you have meeting, you will not see them coming to the meeting. Those things are very important for white people. When you want your children is going to school, you need to follow everything. Okay? So for this lady now, I just want to address some issue here. You know, we have been seeing a lot of this, and she's not the first person that have cried for help about social people are taking a child away. You know, we have had a lot. They have deported a lot. So I just said to myself, I say, what is all this? When we black are we going to stop these things? We know we have a lot of difficulties and all that. But one thing I do not understand, that the way our African people took it upon themselves, like having babies, like, you know, I don't understand. How can a lady without husband, having a 4 kids, taking care of the 4 children alone? Come on, guys. Let's talk about this. This is very, very bad. And the way we Africa just think about children, we just try, you know, start having babies because my mates are having babies. We'll be having babies and we don't have anything to take care of these children. That is why now we don't have good record. And at the end of the day, we'll be blaming our government. There's one thing that many people even forgot. Where you are coming from in Nigeria, they did not have child benefits there. We all grow up in our own, we know the way our parents suffer for us. But here, when we come to this place, and you don't have work, you have forced pregnancy, then you went ahead again, then your husband will tell you to go to Caritas, to go to Jamie, and start having babies there. He will just be coming from one corner and dodge and enter inside the house, you know, just make you to be pregnant and run away. And you people think these people, they are stupid? Come on. It has time we stop all these things. People should allow those children, allow the fathers to take care of their responsibility. You are not helping nation. How can a man will be pregnanting a woman, and those children now, you just leaving for social people to be taking care of them, then tomorrow now you'll be crying that they have hurt you. Those people, remember those people, they just sit down on their own. No? You people are the one that went to go and meet them. You born one pikin, you know get work. You born the second one, you know get work. You born the third one, you know get. Come on, guys. With that husband, in that journey there's a lot of single mothers there. There are so many single mothers by stupidity, single mothers by greediness, many things. I see a lot of women that live here in Italy. They are no more here because of child benefit. They say Italian people cannot help. Italian people, they are doing their best because you need a lot of money to build your 4 flats. That is why the money is not even enough for you. And apart from that, the white people were in the country, they are all working. Then why will we come from, why we now that come from Africa, we now come here and we don't want to work? This is very bad. You have one pikin, you know do you. Second pikin, you know do you without work. You see they born, they go, they born, they go. We don't spoil everywhere. Anywhere where our name enter, we scatter everything. This is too much, my people. They know us now, like factory. Just the bomb. A lot of mothers now that does not even have the experience of taking care of children. Born everywhere. If you see white people, they will say it's only one they need. Because why? They know that they cannot take care of the baby. Then if you see So we also say they don't want anyone because they know they cannot take care of them. It's not everybody must be a mother. This thing that we African will just have it in our head that, hey, we must born. My mate, age no day for my side. Age no day for your side. Waiting in your pikin one chop. You dey born pikin, you no get wetin you want to treat your pikin. Una go dey born, they carry and they put for government. I don't know even like anybody that will put thumbs down for this thing. Anything, you know, concern me because we need to get sense. Make we stop all these things what they do. We be say we go dey born, they full everywhere. Carry pikin, you know, just the full characters. These children, please, make una know they bring these children to come this world like this now. All these lazy men in this country, now they make them because now go get belle, carry and they go Germany, carry and they go Austria, carry and they go France, go they born. Why the man, the moment when they come out, they go carry another woman enter house. That place where you say make una no born, there another woman will come born put. Some women now say they cannot even stay with their husband again because as they come out and your husband don't replace you with another woman. Then waiting the thing teach you. Only you one will date there. We all know that when a woman just give birth, you just need to relax. Only you one now. If you have 2 children before, then you are pregnant, you went to Germany. Then you wake up in the morning and nobody will cry for, oh my God. Even through all the pregnancy. Look at the things some mothers are just putting themselves into. This is so painful. This is so painful. If you are a responsible single mother, just remove yourself from this video. Remove yourself from this video. Because how can a woman be having a children with her husband? Make una think am. If your husband love you so much, if your husband love you so much, he no need to send you make you dey go Germany. I have known many people wey be say they get belle. Where if they get belle, their husband go fed, they go that Germany, go work. Then where God don't do and don't get work, he don't get house, he go come carry him family follow body. Why una no dey do like that? Una just dey there, they fight child benefits, everything waiting in the course. Tomorrow now una go dey cry, say I no do anything. You no do anything, you no say God go punish you where they chop money where no be your own. You no do anything, you dey there, they eat money where no be your own. Make una stop all these things so. Make una let all these children, papa, make them go work. Una go born pikin with different papa name. Some say we go even get the same papa, but they go be the same different papa name. So na different papa, all the name of documents. If that man love you so much, he will not allow you for another man to put document for that pikin. Now what will they do now? We go born pikin, put another man go put. Imagine and look at the way this woman they cry for help now. And not do anything. You just, there is no smoke without fire. We know that one say there is no smoke without fire. There is no way social will come to your house without nothing. And there is another thing you people don't know. Children, you see children, they be chameleon. Just forget it's your son or it's your daughter. There are some things where we say parents go they do now. What things say on a pikin they talk on my side. I used to see some children when they are with me. There are some things they will say. Their mother would not even know they are say something like that. But at times I don't even go there. Even my children can also do the same thing. Pikin, you go tell pikin, you go tell say maybe your pikin know the talk what they happen for us. When you go ask and you know say you go beat and you know go tell you the truth. And as him they talk that thing, you know go even know say waiting if they talk, you know good though. You go tell say him just they talk. But by the time when you go come realize and say now waiting I use my mouth to take talk, you know go see no. You go come the class, I want to go meet my mama, I want to go meet my mama. Because at that time, it was, you know, as a little boy, and they would just ask and say, how you there now? Imagine what she said on that video. In 11 years, you were still brushing him. That means there's something wrong there. A boy. You know? 11 years, you did brush him. That means the boy is not like, there's something, a lot of things that you are not telling us. You have a lot of things that you are not telling us. But we should stop all these things, all these single mothers in Germany. Please, you people should stop. I see a lot of women will just drive their husband away because of child benefits. You will deny your husband because you want to get money for government. If you want to get money for government, you drive your husband away. People now they work. Try to work. These children, let them be responsible. If you want your child to be responsible, you and husband and wife need to train those children together. Only one person know the train pikin to make una remember. One person know the fit train pikin. Pikin with one person they train. Now God, now what they call. You see all these things when they do, so time they come, where be all these children will come after una, go come ask una question because of una greediness. Some go born one pikin. When you see say the money won't finish, you go carry another belly. So not even they care self now. So all those people where they put paper for the night, they give now belly. This is so shameful. Africa people, make una stop this thing now. People now stop this thing. Some people they will be say they still do and their husband will come meet them. At least those ones still did better. But the one will be say go just stay there. You go come carry story, go tell them say somebody give you belly, you wrong. Then you go burn that one. You know go reach 1 year, you go say the person don't come beg you. They give you belly again, you come out. You people think they are stupid. There's some story going on with the talk. I dey see a lot of people. I have a lot of people living in Germany. If I want to go that Germany, if I don't say, but my husband don't like things like that. So what are you doing? Say, now you go there, go work. So I don't know. Document that they chop and passport that they chop am. Come any city where you dey, any country where you dey. Now how you take behave yourself, the kind of respect where you give yourself. If you treat yourself well, if you follow law, say you don't do bad thing, you go even get that passport, can even give them to your children. Now be waiting, many people don't know. You go wrong now, if they go Germany, go because of passport. They come deny your husband, say no being getter. This thing is very bad though. This video now, you people, a lot of people have seen this video. Imagine now. I'm so, the thing they very painful.
I suffer taking care of my children alone. There is no man, no woman, just only me every day. My baby don't grow up now, praise. The senior one, I have 4 baby in Germany. The overall senior one, I didn't know say in the enter they are high. In the enter the government high. One girl from Ukraine in Germany, he always come to my house. He go say he want to assist me for the children. He want to help me to go and teach the children how to read and write. So he go they carry the senior one, they go he ask every day. So day before yesterday, 3 days ago, he called me on phone. Then he tell me say he get me, he go carry me go. Then the baby go need to start school. So I tell him that I don't need your help, madam. Sometimes he go come, he go tell me say he want help me take care of my children. My children is too much and I don't have husband. My husband is not in this country. And nobody to help me. There is nobody to care for me.
Una hear so.
Say he want carry me.
Una hear so. Say she no get husband. That's why the day after her, 4 children. And these people, they close to her since so. Somebody they call you say you want help you, they carry your pikin, they go house. Your mind not gonna tell you. Say these people they after something. Why? Because of that money where would they come? We go look and say if I come out now, no go, hey, we are want for say this 800 or 900 where they will still give me now something. If your mind they tell you since, if you don't run come out, you will still there. You no do something about it. You even talk and say, with your mind, don't they tell you now you can't come out, go another city, go born. Even when you born, they tell you say now you go even pay the money when you take born. And your mind not tell you me you still come out. Una go they wait make una collect that document. Most of una even get the document. I know many people will be say they get document for year, they come out, their documents die. All the name of money to collect benefits money. Some of them abandon their work. Italy no they help. Italy no dey help. Italy no dey help because you no wan work. You are a lazy person. Una say work no dey, if they even give una the work now, una go even work the work. Una no dey work the work because una dey find free money. This is bad. Children are by force. Must you born full everywhere? You born one, you no reach. You no carry something to take lock your bekos. Then you begin the bonbon they go. Imagine now.
Go for another house. Then I will feel.
You see, the carrier it became they go another house.
I'll be suffering alone taking care of my children.
Imagine they don't even they tell them say they won't even help and take care of those children.
Before I die silent.
But she can't they there.
You have to help
They
me.
even deport her husband.
Carry baby for 9 months.
The one way born, but not the last one. I don't know the one where they deport for inside.
You have been seeing me with this Facebook. I know they use my children. They play. Always I they post a picture. I always proud.
Not be by post picture.
They know.
My people, come here. Not be by post picture. Some people just believe I just wear my picking clothes. I will just post in picture. I will just put them for social media. Not be by post picture. You wear your picking clothes to go post them. But see, wait till be the main thing. You go see and say your picking and what they go ask and 1 + 1. You don't know. Even language self, you know go fit speak. But they go say look board, you go they look this side. You go say look here, go they look this side. There are so many things our women they know they know. The way they go they talk about the wonder say these people say where they. Because I get many of them for here. They know they even read what they do. Nothing. They know they listen at all. How we go to help this our sister now? When we say they don't carry in picking now. Now be the problem. Because on that picking and I be waiting they pay me. When I go born picking, I will just touch on to people like that. Make una dey born the one una go fit train. People wait there for jail. Make una go find work. Oh. Make una go find work. If you know now, say that they follow you now, come on for there before leave that money, benefit money where they disturb una. Die. All the names so now want build 4 flats. Una want to build 4 flats. You go see some people once they hear they go say you don't they do something for homo. That money when they give me 30. One thing will be said, many African women don't know. Those money where they give you, it is in your money. You're supposed to even they get service. Some people know even their children never get account. They don't get account when you talk or say that they give them. The moment they just collect the money, they can go Africa. You know even do account. Okay, I don't know. It go hard though. You don't even get account. When we say your pikin go complete 18 years gift, when they plan, they go Africa. Yes, we go plan for Africa so that our children will still reach home, they will still get where to relax their heads. But we will not see forget, say our children, what they born for here, they not go stay Africa. Now here they. So we will see they invest something for here. Gather money, make una they save money for na children account. When I go do insurance for ourselves, because nobody know tomorrow. Do insurance for your pikin. Go and do insurance so that if anything happen, your pikin no go there for 0. When you go tell them, they go say, you won't kill me. How go they do insurance when I see their life? That be their African mentality. You go say you won't go do. If you tell them say me go do insurance now, you go tell say you won't kill them. If you didn't do insurance now, you go say me something no go happen to them. Imagine. Our people don't know what it be insurance. All these are our children where they here. No be all of them. They know they do insurance for the children. No. They know they do. If you see me, they go do. Where they want for see money, where they pack and they go Africa. They build 4 flats, they build duplex. Your pikin go wear trousers, they go jump pay. There are so many things, Clothes where your pikin they wear. Let her look good. No, they let. I don't know why that's why if I see some people for here, even oh God, me. My children for school. Where they you know, we even know say they're from Africa. I can never wear my children. You can't wear them clothes. We be say they short for what now? May they for the pity. Let your picking they even more clean. If they do birthday party, the way I tell they dress my children, they go their children. You go even so you no care now. The way they go wear their normal clothes. They know they do like we say if they do birthday, we call dress, do this one. They know they do all those ones. We will even they even invite for party, we will even look more beautiful pass we. So my people, make una stop all these things. So make una stop this thing. I will still post more video at the end. We will still listen to this our sister. If anybody get any help, we go help them. For those children, may they forgive, release a song for them. It they really painful as a mother losing our own child. Here, I really feel for her for here. I really feel for her for here. I beg. If anybody get anything, we go fit do for this our sister. Make she take get her pikin back. Make we do, make we take help her. I beg my people. Because I don't know. I know now another one will still come out tomorrow. Because they see all these things every day. Eh? Make una stop to the bonbon. Make una stop to the bonbon. Backlock that place. Eh? Because all they know now want increase on our benefits. Because of una want increase and make them for no stop. Una for no work. Now they make many people they do one. Make una stop am o, so that make una know they give us like we now way they here. Now look at the way they feel for the woman and the way they feel the pains as a mother now. Since a woman like you they losing pikin. I beg, make we help this our sister. So this our sister matter, I will still talk about her because not until she get her own pikin, we no go rest for the matter. So I go find time to take on life. They say, make I see discuss about this matter. I will see find people will be so will see discuss about this matter because of this my our sister. Because now Sarah and still our sister is still big. So I be one make live video about this thing. So I was having a network problem. Now I say, okay, make I just make this video to analyze my own part. What I think about this single mother of 18, made them stop palm or made them stop palm. Make una stop to the carry belle, they go different country. Make una they allow una husband they work. If the man say the thing they sweet am, he want born, make it go work. If you never ready for work, I don't know where on the hurry they go. If you get one, hold down one. No, they carry the born for here, born for here, born for Joshua, born for Samuel, born for this one, born for everywhere. This one dey too much, my people. Not, many women need to look onto this thing because when they put this thing for weak body. Eh? Anybody when they send go, they look and say, because for me, this thing is not good though. It's not good as a mother. Eh? When they see a mother like you now, they face all this kind of thing. Make we change all this thing. I just come to beg. Eh? Make we still help this our sister because that pikin and I be our own for inside. We don't even care for the woman and the pikin. I want make the pikin come back home. So make she still learn and lesson. If she go for all the children where she born, she go see one of the papa, see settle with. Make she carry the children go meet them. Wanna help and beg. People will get power. We still know many lawyers for that journey. They wanna still help our sister. So my people, so we go still go into this matter. Una do well. I was just this small video for una make una watch. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The People Choice Show TV. Thank you. God bless you. Thanks for watching. I want to appreciate my returning subscribers, my new subscriber. Thank you so much. Una too much. Thank you. God bless you all. See you on my next video. Okay, my people, will still give you updates about this our sister single mother where they cry for help. Bye bye everyone. Bye.
I'm their only mother they have. They know. So I never even beat any of my child one day. So the woman come now. He called me the day before yesterday and they tell me say he want carry me and my children go someplace. Then he go pull the senior one for school. Then after there, I tell you say no, I don't go with you for anywhere. I don't want your help, thank you, because I don't suspect the woman say he wants my pikin by all means. So then I rang up the call. Then later I tell them say please, it be like say I want transfer, I want come up for the city when I did. The way the woman they disturb me is too much. Ever since how many years I came here, you don't they worry me. So I say I want transfer. Then I end up this call. Then he say, okay, no problem. If I don't want a help, he go rest, no problem. That was the day before yesterday. Then I call my lawyer. Then I tell my lawyer, say, please, he should help me to look for another apartment because I have document already. My children have document already. So I received the letter that I can go and look for a house because I have 2 rooms for where they live now. And I don't have any man when they support me. The father of my baby, they deported him to Italy. So nobody care for me. just only me one the kids alone, and the 2 boys I bring them from Morocco, and I born the 2 girls in Europe here. So the woman just say, okay, oh, since I don't need the help, that was day before yesterday. Oh. Then I rest. But later in the morning, then he say one man come. That one they can't take the pikin, go he go teach her for us, then he drive and come back again. Then he drive her on Monday, Tuesday. Now he can't carry her in the morning. My boy was doing fine. I bath her, I brush her, I even brush her that day. As he big rich, I brush her, I bath her. Before he go, he was very okay, do everything, he's very okay. Later, the girl called me on phone. He said my son come play for us. Say me beat her. I said, what are you saying? What kind of talk is that? Say I beat her. Why would I beat my son? From there, on time say you want carry the son go hospital, they want go look, I see some mark for his body. I said, do you have the proof? Then I just called my son because I buy phone for her. The phone day with her, but there not be no say phone day with her. Then I call my son. Everything is written. I'm telling you, some people will help me that will feel the pain that I'm feeling. So from there, now I call my son. As I call my son, now I ask my son, say, Prince, what happened? What did you tell this lady that is always come? He say he want to help her. Prince say I did not say anything. Prince say the woman they forced me to give me some medication. I say, really? If they give you some medication? He say yes. He said that they force her and put for inside motor. That they tell her, say, your mother is poor, is from Africa, he cannot take care of you. He have no husband, nothing. He cannot take care of you. He's poor. We will buy food for you. We will give you internet. We will give you phone. He said that they deceive her with many things for you. Now I said, don't collect all. Tell they say you want to go and meet your mommy. Now my son say, okay, mommy, I tell they already say I want to come home. Then they drive me, they come. I say, okay. Small time again, I call again. You know they reach house. He said that they drive me. He said, no, they not drive me reach house. So they don't stop me for some place. So and there's some woman don't come out. They carry me go for some place. I said, tell they say you want to go home. He said, I did not tell they say my mother beat me. Or I not tell they not you. He said, I want to go and meet my mother. They hear my son, they cry. They force my son. They do and wait till they do. And small time they collect the food from me. All till now, I not see my son again. All till now, I not see my son again. Then I go for the Ugra. Then I ask them, say, what happen? Why not collect my son from me? He said my son, they complain, say me, they beat him. I said, pikin, when you don't grow rich like this, when it is small, when I carry the pass through water, I don't throw away anyone. I don't beat anyone. I don't know, it don't big like this, a big boy. He can't enter on my high. I don't suffer, take care of the finish now. When I can't enter the high, I just cry because I can do something crazy because these children is all I have. I've been suffering for all my life. And they have been disturbing me for so many years. If not be says when I get there, if I don't collect all the children from my house, this is the way they are in Gemini. This guy say he want to help me, not good help. I don't feel better and I make I cry. Some people they tell me say I don't tell anybody, I don't do video, but I don't feel better. I want to tell the world, let them not come keep me silent. Because sometimes I come home like this. When I open my fridge and